Guys, now I will demonstrate how to assemble a system unit. First, if you are a girl or you have a long hair, tie your hair up. And second, take off all your accessories in your body. Next, we will use the anti-rinse clamp and put it in the part of the CPU case, and clip it. Here we have some CPU on the central processing unit, and we will put it in the CPU socket. Next, we will put the CPU fan on top of the CPU socket.
Ilan minutes sabi mo? Diba?
Then, check nyo po if maluwag ba or hindi. If hindi, then that's good na po. Earlier, Mr. Remeliete Mr. Remeliete showed you the parts of the motherboard. Now, I will just review that. We have here the audio port, the USB port, and the Molex port. Modem rather. And we have here the VGA or the video graphic array, the DV9 or serial port. We also have here a audio mini DIN port or PS2 port. Next, we have the PCI or the peripheral components interconnection. We have this black one is AGP, the accelerated graphics port. This one is called CMOS. This is the south. This is the south bridge and the north bridge. This blue one called USB header. This one is the RAM or the random access memory, and the memory slot. We will put the RAM in the memory slot.
So, today we will disassemble the system unit.
This one is the IDE or the Integrated Drive Electronics. This one is the 24-pin ATX power connector.
We need to click here and
Then this one is the inductors. This one, this one, this one. Then that you will clear the cables here so that you can put the motherboard into the CPU case.
Today, everyone.
Be careful sa paglagay ng motherboard sa loob ng CPU case dahil pwede kayong masugatan. At sa paglagay po pala ng motherboard, dito po kayo maghawak sa CPU.
Ay, pati ang So today, everyone, we will disassemble this system unit, and then we need to secure
Then
our
if
battery
secure
that
na,
has no accessories in our
ang
parts.
una po natin ilalak
And
is
then
ito.
so first thing
Power
we do
supply.
is to put this grease trap, and we need to click here, and this is the screwdriver. We need to unscrew the screws. We need to separate this case. We need to open, and as you can see, there's a motherboard and power supply, and then we need to remove this power supply.
Amahin mo po. Ilit na may magyata. Tumpang na may daw.
Mali ka sa akin. Hindi tayo.
Ilit ba po? Tumpang na po. Hindi daw.
Ito?
Maliwa. Maliwa po.
Then after malak na ang
We need to
power supply,
plug the pin.
ilalak din natin ngayon ang motherboard. makabit ang mga screws sa motherboard or may dikit ang motherboard, ngayon, ilalagay naman natin ipa-plug natin ang mga connectors sa motherboard.
Here are the parts of motherboard.
This
So,
is the
we will remove the
24P1. This is the 20 plus 4 pin T1 connector. This one a 4 pin 12V connector. So, ano yun? This is the 4 pin Verge connector. Verge connector.
This is the cooling fan. And as you can see this is the CPU. And then these are the CPU socket.
Lang.
Here are the CPU.
This one is a 4-pin Molex connector.
This is the south bridge and the north bridge. And this is the
Ito.
USB slot, and this is the modem. And this is the PS2. PS2 port, and the green is for mouse, and then the violet for keyboard. And this is the serial ports, and this is the VGA, which means video graphic array. And this is the memory slot, and PCI, which means peripherals components interface. And this is the AGP, which means accelerated graphic ports. And this is the IDE, integrated
This
driver
one is
software.
a 24-pin T1 connector.
This is USB header, and this is the audio port. The pink for mic, and the green for music, and the blue for speaker.
After
And this is the capacitor. This
Then,
is
after natin makabit lahat ng mga connectors,
for battery.
tapos na tayo. Ilalagay na po natin yung cover ng CPU case.
That's all. Thank you.
Tinanggal ko na po pala yung anti-wrist strap. Then, ika-close na po natin. Sabog.
Okay na ba?
Then, screw, ilalak na po natin.
Kasi mag-video kayo, George.
So, grab tayo ng diba?
Hot!
So, for business the parts of the motherboard. So the northern and southern.
That's all. Thank you.
Magkano ba ito?